Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The time has spun back to the form it was on the day when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu created the heavens and the earth. A year comprises 12 months, four of which are sacred. Three of them, namely Dhul Qada, Dhul Hajj, and Muharram, are in succession, and the Rajab of Mudar, which comes in between Jamadi Ukhra and Shaban. Tell me which month this is." We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then remained silent, and we thought he might give this month a new name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Isn't it Zulhajj?" We submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Which city is this?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon observed the silence, and we thought he might give the another name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Isn't it Makkah Mukarramah?" We submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked, "Which day is it?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon remained mute, and we thought he might give that another name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Isn't it the day of sacrifice?" We submitted, "Of course." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your blood, your property." Muhammad bin Sirin states that he thinks Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu also said, "Your honor are forbidden for each of you, like the sanctity of this day of yours, in this city of yours, and in this month of yours. And soon you will meet your Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, and He Jalla Jalaluhu will ask you about your deeds. Hearken, you must not go astray after me, decapitating one another. Hearken, let the present convey it to the absentees, or sometimes those to whom the message is conveyed retain more than the listeners." Whenever Muhammad bin Sirin would narrate this hadith, he would say, "The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said the truth." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Have I conveyed you the message? Have I conveyed you the message?" Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7447.